This is Ramesh Arozla from AR Academy GDK. AR Academy GDK. Today, class 8th subject physical science. In case of CBSE, it is science children. In case of ICSE, physics, state physical science. Today, from class 8, we are going to learn one important concept from force lesson. Concept is net force. Are you listening, children? Please take your notes and write down in your notes important points. And please look at the board. And today, children, we are going to learn force and net force concept. For that, we have to revise what we have learned in the earlier classes. Okay? What is force? That is push or pull is called force we studied. This force is scalar quantity or vector quantity? It is scalar, it is vector quantity. Why? Because this force is having both the magnitude and direction. Force is the vector quantity, it is having both magnitude and direction. And how the force is denoted we studied. What is the effect of force also we studied. And how the force is denoted? Force is denoted by its magnitude is denoted like this in numerical numbers 5 newtons, 10 newtons like this. This is magnitude. Magnitude we will denote like this. And force SI unit is Newton. 5 units, 10 units like this. And its direction is denoted by arrow mark. Okay? Its magnitude denoted by number 5 Newton, 10 Newtons like this. Direction is denoted by arrow mark. This is the force. And today our concept is not our force and not the effect of force. Effect of force also we studied in our earlier classes. It will change the direction of the object. It will change the speed of the object. It will change the state of rest or state of motion that we studied now. In the same way, here today we are going to learn about net force. And what is the net force, children? First, net force. Net force means algebraic sum of all the forces acting on a body. At an instant of time. At a particular time, how many forces are working? What is its sum? Algebraic sum of the forces acting on a body at particular instant of time. That is called net force. It is denoted by F net. Its unit is also newtons only. Remember. Understand, children? F and F net. What is the effect of force? What is the effect of force? It will change the state of rest or motion. For example, one football is there, you kept on ground. If you kick, what happens, children? It will move. Means its state of rest is changing into motion. If somebody stops with the leg, what happens? It will stop. It will come to rest. Motion object is coming to rest. Rest object is moving because of force, net force. Okay. In the same way, one ball is moving. If you kick it, what happens? Its speed will increase. Like this force, F net force will increase its speed also. It will increase the speed, it will decrease the speed, it will stop, it will make it into motion. Okay, like this. These are the effects of forces or net forces. State of rate will change. It will change the speed. It will change the direction also. Like this. These are the effects of forces. In case of football, we studied. In case of carom board also, children. In case of carom board also, while playing with carom board, we will hit the coins with the striker. Understand? Then they will change the direction, they will speed, and after touching that board, it will come back like this. So many changes will happen in carom board coins because of you are applying force on striker. Understand? That is the effect of the force in case of carom board coins. In case of rubber bands also, take one rubber band and keep like this and apply force and observe how much pull is applying. on your fingers and then add one more rubber band, then what happens? It will pull more. Like this, if you go on adding the rubber band, then force of pull on your fingers will increase. That is the effect of net force, children. Okay, this is effect of net force, rubber bands in case of carom board we discussed, in case of football we discussed. Now we will discuss the effect of net force on table. Effect of net force on table. You see, this is table, heavy table. You are applying force 10 newtons here in this direction. So directions you remember according to coordinate geometry. This is the origin, you know. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this side plus, this side minus, this side upside plus, downside minus. This plus and minus signs you have to remember. This is very much useful while calculating the net forces. So this table, in case of table, how the net force will affect, we will study, children. You see here 10 newtons you are applying in this direction, and is it easy to move? Observe, is it easy to move or hard to move? Hard to move. In this first case, it is very hard to move. Here you are applying 10 newton force. It is not easy, hard to move. Second case, you see here you ask your friend to apply some more force in this direction. You are applying 10 newtons. Your friend is applying F2 8 newtons. Here in this direction you are increasing the force 10 plus 8, 18 newtons. 10 plus 8, 18 newtons force you are applying. So in this time F net increased, net force increased. So it will easily move, children. Easily move. In this second case, a table will move easily. And third case, if you take third case, you see this is the same table. You are applying force 10 newtons in this direction. You ask your friend to apply force in opposite direction. You see F2. The same 10 newtons is applying in opposite direction. You are applying 10 newtons. So both are in opposite direction. Compare like this. This side means minus. This is minus 10 newtons. F1 is minus 10. And this side you compare like this. Plus side, x-axis plus side. Plus side, that is 10 newtons. So 10 newtons minus 10 plus 10, 0. Here F net force is 0. Body will be at a rest position only. Body will be at a rest position only. Remember. Here fourth case you see, children. Here net force F1 5 newtons. Here you are applying. Some two other your friends are applying. This side 5 newtons one is applying. 10 newtons somebody is applying. This side how much is that? 10 plus 5, 15 newtons. This side it is coming. And this side 5 newtons you are applying. This side means what? This side minus side. Minus side 5 newtons. This side means plus side 15 newtons. You see, children, here minus 5 plus 15, 10 newtons. 10 newtons plus side means this side. Means this table will move from left to right. Left to right it will move. Why? Because this side net force is more. Total net force, if we calculate, 10 newtons is working in this direction, left to right. So this table will move in this direction. Here table is at rest position. Here in this direction, from right to left it will move. Right to left it will move. Why? Because net force is working in this direction only. In this direction, how we will take according to this sign convention? F1 you have to take minus 10. F2 also you have to take minus 8. Total minus 18 newtons working in this direction. So this table will move in this direction, right to left. In case of first one, you see force is working in this direction. Say minus 10 newtons is working. So in this direction only it will try to move, but your force is not sufficient to move this, to overcome the friction. Okay, children, and the effect of net force we studied case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. In case 1 only you are applying the force, it is not moving. So in second case you and your friend is applying, easily it is moving. Why? Because net force is increasing. In third case you are applying one direction, other your friend is applying in opposite direction, same force they are applying, so it is not moving, it is a rest. And fourth case you are applying force in this direction, your two friends are applying in this direction, so here net force is 10 newtons is extra, so the body, the table will move in this direction from left to right. Okay, we will go to another topic, that is FBD. What is mean by FBD, children? Free body diagram. What is this? Free body diagram. Free body diagram. Free body diagram. What is the actual definition of free body diagram? If you take anything like this, any object or anything like this, at that particular instant of time, how many forces are working? A diagram which is showing the all the forces acting on it. Once again, listen children. The diagram which shows all the forces acting on that body at that instant is called as free body diagram. That is the definition of free body diagram. Once again I am telling. At an instant, at a particular time on a body, how many forces are working? The diagram which is showing the all the forces working on a body is called as free body diagram. This is the free body diagram. Here I took one car. You see, here I took one car. On this car, you see, some forces are working. Here normal force is working on tires, upward direction. Weight is working downward direction. Frictional force is working in this direction, right direction. In this left direction, force of this car is working, applied force. Force of this car, frictional force, weight of this car, normal force 1, normal force 2. These forces are working. I am showing all the forces working on a body at this particular time. So this is free body diagram, FBD of the car. Okay. In case of FBD of the car, how to calculate the net force? Let us see. See, net force in case of in x-axis. You see, this is x-axis, x dash, y-axis, y dash. You will learn this x-axis, y-axis in coordinate geometry. Okay, children, mathematics you will learn. So, this side plus, this side minus. This side plus, this side minus. Y plus, y dash minus. This side we will take values plus, this side we will take minus. That you remember and carefully observe. And F net acting x direction. X direction means in this direction, you see. This is working in this direction only, F. So, plus side it is working, so plus F. So, if you see F, x-axis only, but in this direction it is working. In this direction means minus direction, capital minus F. So, here F minus F is the net force acting in x direction. So, net force acting on y direction. Y direction means this is the y-axis, this is x-axis. Y direction, you see, y direction, by how many forces? This is working down. Down means easy, minus W. These two are working upward direction. Upward direction means plus N1 plus N2. You can write this like this also, N1 plus N2 minus W. This is the net force acting in y direction on this car according to free body diagram. In x-axis, net force acting is small f minus f in case of this car according to sign conventions mentioned in coordinate geometry x, y axes. Okay. And now today's last topic to discuss is how to calculate the net force. Are you ready, children? Please look at the board. Concentrate more. So F net force calculation, if you see here problems given A, B, C, D problems, we will try to solve fastly. So you see in this direction two forces are working. This is the body, this is the body. In this direction two forces are working. In this direction means you see compare here. In this direction means plus direction x-axis. Plus direction x-axis means plus 8 plus 10. Okay, children. In this direction 12 newtons. In this direction 12 newtons. Minus direction 12 newtons. Minus 12. So F net will become 8 plus 10, 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12, how much, children? 6 newtons. 6 newtons working in this direction. Extra it is working. So body will move from left to right. Left to right, this body will move. That is the first problem. Calculation of net force. Next, in this case, this side 0 newtons. Nothing is working in this direction. So in this direction only net force. In this direction means plus direction. How much net force equal? 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6 newtons, and in this direction 0 minus 0 means 16 minus 0 means 16 newtons working in this direction only. That's why the body will try to move left to right direction only. Why? Because this side force is not, any force is not working on this body. In case of this body, it is given in y-axis direction, you observe carefully. So upside 9 newtons, upside means you see upside plus, means F net equal, plus side how much? 9 newtons. Downside means downside minus how many newtons working? 8 newtons. So total net force will become 1 newton. 1 newton means 1 newton plus, means plus side means upside. The body will, because of these two forces, the body will tend to move upward direction. Why? F net is plus 1. Plus 1 means, see, plus is here, you can see plus. In upward direction you see. So the body will try to move upward direction. Upward direction. You see children, in these calculations, here net force is 6 newton extra. That's why it is moving from left to right. In this case, here we calculated net force. Here only this side only force is working. This side no force. So net force 60 newtons net force is, because of that it will move in left to right. This also, this upward direction 1 newtons, plus direction 1 newton force is there. That's why this body will try to move in upward direction. Children, I think you have understood net force concept today. What we studied net force, what is force, what is force vector or scalar, that is vector, and effect of forces we studied here, and how F force and net force we will denote with the help of magnitude and direction we will denote, as well as it is SI units or newtons in case of F net or F, and definition we studied effect of force in case of football, in case of carom board, in case of rubber bands we studied. You can do with rubber bands at home also. 2-3 rubber bands you take. First 1 rubber band you try, second rubber band, 2 rubber bands you try, 3 rubber bands you try. Like this you try to understand the concept of the net force. And here we try to understand the net force concept in case of different case of table, and we applied in a different way the forces. And what is free body diagram, and in case of a car, how all the forces are working, how to calculate in x direction and y direction the net forces. We studied according to the coordinate geometry, x and y coordinate geometry system. And finally what we did, we calculated the A, B, C, D, 4 problems we did, F net calculations we did. Okay children, you practice at home and watch my videos completely, and subscribe my channel, and like, share, comment. Okay children, bye.